Turkish president and world leaders celebrate Eid on phone. Over 1,700 settlers storm Al-Aqsa Mosque. UN official need to invest in education in Palestine. 5 killed, 119 injured in 24 hours in Yemen, Yanjiao. Libya halts flights at Tripoli airport. Somalia army kills 16 Al-Shabaab fighters. Turkish charity and South African NGO distribute meat on Eid. Norwegian police launches terror probe in mosque attack. Death toll rises to 53 in Myanmar landslide. Pakistan slams religious freedom restrictions in Kashmir. Human Rights Watch urges India to set back in Kashmir. Kashmir internal matter, India tells China.